Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download the Epson L3210 printer driver, download and install, and how to connect. So enter the like that, and after that click first link your Epson's co.in. This is official website, so you can download driver and required software, required firmware also. Then slow down, you can see the extract the driver, and this is a printer driver, and then click to download. Slow down, I agree, and then click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading. And its size, you can see the 67, and just click download it, set a file, and then yes. Okay, then click to OK. Again open and yes. Then there are two options. You can see if you want to default this printer, so check in. If you have to update automatically, then check, then click to OK. Then after that select the language, OK, then I agree, and then OK. After that, on your printer and connect to your laptop via printer USB cable. After that, automatically detect and next install. After that, restart and then check it.